Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. Today we will learn to find the value of integration cos qx dx. If you like the video, please consider subscribing my channel and please hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Please do like and share it and comment in the comment section. So let's start. Now our given integration is integration cos qx dx. And we can write it as 1 by 4 times integration 4 cos qx dx. Look that 4 gets cancelled, so we have done nothing extra here. Now we will apply the formula of 4 cos qx. The formula is given here. Applying the formula, we get 1 by 4 times integration 3 cos x plus cos 3x dx. Now we will break this into two parts, and doing that we get 3 by 4 times integration cos x dx plus 1 by 4 times integration cos 3x dx. Now after integrating the first part we get 3 by 4 sin x, and integrating the second part we get 1 by 4 sin 3x by 3 plus c. Here c is an integration constant. Here we have used the formula of integration cos mx dx is equal to sin mx by m. Here in the first integration m is 1 and in the second integration m is 3. After simplifying we get 9 sin x plus sin 3x in the numerator and 12 in the denominator plus c. This is our expected answer. Thank you for watching.